factor theorem. And its converse, the factor theorem. And its converse, if P of R is equal to 0, then X minus R is a factor of P of X. By its converse, X minus R is a factor of P of X. Then P of R is equal to 0. Na 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 na. What is dr of x when p of x is equal to x squared? Minus 7x plus 6 is divided by d of x is equal to x minus 1, then p of x is equal to x squared minus 7x plus 6, then we substitute the quantity of 1 squared minus 7 to the quantity of 1 plus 6, then the r of x is equal to 0. Therefore we conclude that if r of x is equal to 0, then d of x is a factor of p of x.
Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style.